Welcome back, my beautiful people, man. Welcome back to Outer TV. Yeah, man, so as you can see from the looks of things, it is raining. Seeing, but you want to know, say, I man set out to go up on a little river. And guess what? Rain or shine, me a ground on the river, you see it? Hey boy, how you do? Play water war? Yo, remember the memory of people? Rain. Yes, man. So, right now, I man just leave my house right now and head into the river. Next to go local spring. It's maybe about 5 minutes from where I am. Right now, I'm just traveling with my backpack with 1 and 2 little goodies inside. So, I will update you guys in a bit, so when you can see what I go on the river location. See? Where your father there? You did not call me? Yeah, man, people. Somebody was just talking to me a bit, so just did turn off the video for a second. Yeah, man, all of these communities get well populated. Yes, man. House in every little crevice and corners now. But then, when I youth I visit them at river and them at location, these places were just farmlands. Yeah, man, all this a big old mansion I build up around here, so. I mean, uplift the community, man. Jeez. This one is nice. And you'd never know that this is here, because no people not even venture at this location. Which I'm gonna mix concrete in a mega road. Wow. Really on them side that. Go on, the general.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Big. Nice. That side there still a bush. But this look like a villa. And they might go all the way back in the hills. And the journey continues. Right now, I know the little truck get into the stream right now. I go full with mud, but crooks never feel me. You know. Man, these places get populated. House there everywhere. Man, back in the days, these places never used to be so populated, believe me. The stream actually connected in a two. That direction is a deeper part, but when I actually go to the river for swimming purpose. Right now, I have a water bucket where I need to full, get some natural spring water, man. As I say, no additives, no preservatives. Yeah, man. Thought the track would have been more muddier than this, but I don't even want to talk too soon. From when I was supposed to cover this river, but due to the mosquitoes being out after we recently had that hurricane Beryl, I decided to put this adventure off because people, the mosquitoes are out in colors right now. When I was younger and going to this location, the next area that you can swim is right over there. You couldn't even see over there. I don't ever taller, I get taller. When me a boy I come here, so I couldn't even see around there. So these places were used to covered with fruits and vegetables and dasheen and cocoa. Yeah, man, them plant cocoa and dasheen in the riverbed. Yeah, man. Country people know how to farm dasheen good. Yes, and I've already started to encounter with the mud. Jeez. But the track is looking fine, like what if our visitors not really come around here. One time we could have drive to this location, you know. Right now, I think this is only been covered by a bush. I don't think this road is all that bad. Yeah. See there? You can see a lot of water right now. So the head of the stream is further around here. Back then we used to couldn't see over there. It's been ages since I've been to this place. And the rain is coming back down. But guess what? Today we're out here without fear. Yeah, man, not even a mosquito them. We're not too afraid of right now. Cause me kinda well half up, but you see the moment me touch the river water and the mosquito off or the mosquito repellent wash off of me, me have to head out of this place quick and fast. What you mean? Yeah, man. These little daily walking and hiking used to nice when we were kids growing up, man. Yeah, man, used to nice. But as I say, it's been ages since I've ventured to them part of the world. So let who this I know. Yeah, man, so people, I have already arrived at the river, but you see this river, due to its location, you see when people come at this river for bathe, then just take off them garments, then just tear off everything and just take them fresh. You see me, so I did have to just cut the clip, let a few of them leave. Right now, one soldier up on the river see me, I go and wash out him clothes and thing, and I'm good with the videoing, so guess what I go on now. Now that it's free to video, I can show now I go on in this location. See, so yeah, man. So the thing set, man. But I tell you, say, feel like a baby in a little pool of water to the time I have come to this place. So much have changed. And then Hurricane Beryl come blow down whole heap of the tree them same way. Alright, back then in the days I couldn't even see around that part here. Around here, so the woman they used to bathe. So this stream actually split in two. This is the female side. That side normally the male side. Yeah. There used to be a whole lot of trees blocking it off. So back in the days, you couldn't even see around this side. Sure, right? Yeah, man. This is Jamaica, man. My Jamaica. We used to have a pass on that side. I came in from that side. There used to be a little track heading to the other side of the river where the deeper sections are. So if you want to have a swim and those things, you could have do it around this side, you know. But up at this part, mostly people just come to take a shower or collect some drinking water. Yeah. So the other river where I go, I'm showing you how they dam it using logs and bush. This one here, stone. Yeah man, look at these people. Beautiful. So there's a bamboo right now which is going directly beneath the rocks and collecting the water and bring it out. Nice and lovely. Right now it's still dry other than my feet being wet, and of course you can't come at them location here. I don't think I want to bathe, man. But I lose the blessing. Don't know. Squeeze out little shampoo in one little bag, because really and truly I never want to be walking with too much baggage. So there's a small little hole on this, and I mind me what's in the bag, man. Come at Jamaica, I say I have to do it, man. Yeah, see me can get a tripod, I have to stand up in this water right now. Yeah man, people. Exciting set, man. Don't know anything though. Yeah, they are telling me that water gone. I didn't realize I have to leave. I'm showing how cool this water gets. Bring look how cool here with me. Nothing at all. Man, right now it's about to rain again, but guess what? I'm already wet, so let me pull up my water back to same speed. And the back already starts sweat. This is just super cool. Yeah man, so I don't know, see I saw the thing come down. Let's see how well now this camera performs underwater. Why people? The water come like it have some natural repellent against the mosquitoes. I just drag on my shirt because I'm ready to head out of here right now. But now I tell the people, the water is just lovely. Yeah, I'm actually sitting down, it's not that deep. Maybe this water is about a little bit over 12 inches. Yeah, it's not that deep. Lovely. Stay here forever. Jeez. I need more of this. Whew. Surrounded by forestry, green. Yeah. So, hit that. Big up on yourself. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Get my bucket of water right now. This is sweating, people. You can literally write your name on this thing. Very cool. Yeah. Yeah, my general. Big up, you know. All that mud. If we are having dry season, at the best time to visit this river. The path coming here will not be this muddy. Won't be even muddy at all. Yeah, but it is what it is. If you pray for rain, you have to plan to deal with the mud. Yeah, so big up on yourself. See you guys on the next one. I am heading home now to edit this video and post it. If you guys haven't liked yet, like up the video. If you guys haven't shared yet, share up the video. If you guys not comment yet, comment on the video, man. If you guys not subscribe yet, subscribe now. Big up on yourself.